Hi, I'm going to show you how to switch camera feeds in Microsoft Teams. Some of our new rooms have multiple cameras connected to the computers there, like the webcam mounted to the ceiling and the document camera, also known as the Elmo. So when you're using a Teams meeting for quarantine students who need to remote in, you might want to switch those feeds. Here's how you do it. Right now, I'm on a USB webcam in my hand, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the integrated webcam on my laptop. And because I'm recording this on my laptop, I don't have the best sound quality. Sorry. So what you do is you go to these three dots, and you click on Device Settings. And then from there, look down here on Camera. Now, if you have multiple cameras, you should have things you can choose from. So I'm going to move from the HD Pro webcam to the integrated camera by clicking on it. And here I am on a new camera. Doesn't matter how much I wave around this camera, I'm right here. I can switch back. Again, click on the camera, and I'll switch back to this camera right here. So that's how it works. Now you can dismiss this device settings so that you have more to work with, or you can leave it open. Again, to get there, more actions, device settings, camera, and choose your feed. Hope this was helpful. See you soon. Bye-bye.